It's time to usher in a new era of markers. The compact and easy-to-use Orotig marking laser, renowned for its exceptional marking quality, with the introduction of Canova. The innovative Marco software enables seamless marking with just a few clicks, eliminating any room for error. Easy to use even for unexperienced operators, thanks to guided marking and animated tooltips. The autofocus system detects the correct focal distance of the object on the work surface, automatically adjusting the focus. Canova offers the possibility to install 3 focal lenses to meet all marking needs. The live preview function enables the operator to directly preview the desired image or text on the workpiece. With the auto-centering function, the text is then automatically centered on the ring. The rotary motor, in conjunction with the spindles, facilitates the marking of rings and bracelets. The 3-in-1 clamp allows pieces of various shapes and sizes to be secured. Canova will provide your customers with an immersive experience for customizing jewelry and more, seamlessly integrating into your business workflow. Get ready for change. Get ready for Canova. Make the mark.